Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you guys how I organize our shoes, umbrellas, any winter accessories, and then also how we transition into summer accessories too. So if you guys are into these types of videos, decluttering, organizing, you'll definitely want to check this out, and I have a ton more videos to watch, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so this is my entryway. Sorry it's a little bit echoey, but there's not a lot in here, so your voice carries. But this is my entryway. I just have a mirror, a little plant from the Target dollar spot, and this is the Ikea unit that I currently use in my entryway, my hallway. And it just houses like our shoes and like winter accessories right now since it's still winter, and then in the summer it'll take over and do summer accessories. But let me show you guys what is in each of these drawers. Anytime I decorate, this is the main area that I decorate. Right now I'm in transition between Valentine's Day and spring decor, so I'm getting ready to decorate it for spring, but in the meantime we're kind of in between, and this is what we're dealing with. So I just have sanitizer when everybody comes in, especially my husband because he shakes a lot of hands every day at work. He always has hand sanitizer here. We just have my mail organizer right here for right now. It'll probably move later. It's always moving back and forth to the kitchen because I don't really like it here, but it kind of works well here sometimes. So, and then I have a plant from the Target dollar spot. And then it has 4 drawers, and in this first drawer, so this is basically supposed to be a shoe organizer, and I like to use it for like accessories as well. Let me show you guys what I mean. In this top drawer here I have umbrellas. Right now it's just umbrellas since it's kind of been a little bit rainy and cold, so I have that in there. And then in the second drawer right here I have like hats, mittens, I even have a scarf down in here. They really don't use that often, but it's more or less their mittens because it's really cold right now, and then also their hats. I like using these pom-pom beanies that I got from Target. But anyways, that's what I keep in here, only because I don't have, this is kind of like their drop-off center, so as soon as they come in from the door with their backpacks and everything, they go ahead and take their shoes off, which I'll show you where those goes, but their hats and mittens will go back in here. If they took an umbrella to school, it'll go back in here. And then this is what the shoe organizer looks like. So basically you have these areas here where the girls would put their shoes. And if you notice, this is my 11-year-old's. It only really fits 2 pairs of shoes in there and maybe a pair of sandals. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second when I do get ready to shift over for summer. But for my little one, she could probably squeeze another pair of shoes in here. She's 5 years old, so her feet are a lot smaller. But this is what it looks like, and I like it because it does a great job in hiding these, so that you can't even tell in this unit that it's actually a shoe holder or shoe organizer. So I really like that a lot. Let me show you guys really quick what I'm talking about for summer when we transition. Okay, and so when we transition into summer, this one basically stays the same for the most part. I really don't do too much with the umbrellas because it's gonna rain summer, winter, fall, spring. But this one does change. We end up putting sunblock in here. I have sunglasses in here. We also have the girls' fishing hats. We go fishing almost weekly in the summer. There's a pond here nearby that we love going to, and we actually don't even really try to catch fish. We're trying to catch the bullfrogs there, but that's a whole nother story. But yes, this turns into like our summer transition wear, like more accessories more or less. And then everything here will be more summer related, so you're gonna have a lot more sandals going on in these drawers after that point once summer hits. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that it helped you guys out as well. If you needed any tips or tricks or hacks on how to organize maybe your child's shoes and accessories as well, this is what I do because we don't have a lot of space in our house and I kind of have to make do with what we have. So hopefully this helped you out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have a ton more videos if you guys are interested in decluttering and organizing. right now that is what I'm into, and so I'm just trying to spit out videos like crazy. So if you guys like those types of videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than they cry.